Waxing can leave your skin smooth, but sometimes it can also cause redness, bumps, itching, or a rash. This usually happens when the skin becomes irritated, inflamed, or reacts to the wax, and it may also be linked to contact dermatitis or folliculitis. The good news is that most mild waxing rashes can be soothed with simple home care and over-the-counter treatments. In this video, you'll learn how to calm irritated skin after waxing, reduce discomfort, and prevent rashes from coming back next time. Soothing contact rashes. Check for contact dermatitis after waxing. Signs include redness, itching, bumps, blisters, swelling, tenderness, or burning. If this happens, stop home waxing and consider seeing a professional. Apply a cold compress after waxing to calm irritation. Use an ice pack briefly or a cold wet washcloth for 15 to 30 minutes, but do not keep ice on the skin for more than 20 minutes. Cleanse the area gently with cool water to soothe irritation. Use a mild oatmeal-based cleanser, or make a simple paste with baking soda and water to help calm itching and refresh the skin. Moisturize after cleansing with a gentle, unscented moisturizer. Apply it while your skin is still damp, and choose a ceramide-based option if possible. Apply a steroid ointment, such as 1% hydrocortisone cream, once or twice daily to help reduce irritation. Put on some calamine lotion to soothe itching and irritation. Apply it after washing and moisturize afterward if your skin feels dry. Avoid scratching the rash, even if it feels itchy, because it can make irritation worse. Keep your nails trimmed or wear gloves or socks on your hands while sleeping to prevent scratching. See a dermatologist if folliculitis is painful, spreading, or not improving after a few days. They may remove ingrown hairs or prescribe medicine to treat infection and inflammation. Treating folliculitis. Check for folliculitis after waxing. Signs include red bumps or pimples, redness, tenderness, itching, burning, or inflammation around the hair follicles. Cleanse your skin gently with warm water and a mild antibacterial facial cleanser. Use a fresh washcloth each time, wash twice daily, and pat dry with a clean towel. Moisturize after washing with a gentle, sensitive skin lotion. Choose one that is free of dyes, perfumes, and parabens to avoid further irritation. Use a warm compress for 10 minutes to calm the rash and reduce inflammation. Repeat 3 to 6 times daily as needed. Apply an over-the-counter antibiotic ointment to the affected area. Follow the package directions or ask your doctor how often to use it. Put on an itch-soothing lotion to calm folliculitis irritation. Oatmeal-based lotions or calamine lotion are good options, but avoid hydrocortisone creams unless your doctor recommends them. See a dermatologist if folliculitis is painful, spreading, or not improving after a few days. They may remove ingrown hairs or prescribe medicine. Use separate washcloths to avoid spreading infection. Prevention tips. Exfoliate gently the night before waxing with a mild facial exfoliant. Massage softly in circular motions to help prevent ingrown hairs and folliculitis. Use clean waxing equipment every time. Wash your hands and face, never double dip applicators, and make sure salon tools are sterile. Apply a cold pack right after waxing for 15 to 20 minutes to soothe the skin. This can help close pores and hair follicles, reducing irritation and the chance of bacteria entering. Avoid touching the waxed area too much, as it can irritate skin and spread bacteria. Only touch it for cleansing or moisturizing and let it heal for a few days. Use an oil-free moisturizer before and after waxing to calm the skin. Choose a gentle option like aloe vera or witch hazel to avoid irritation and clogged pores. Avoid working out right before or after waxing, as sweat can irritate skin and cause breakouts. Exercise earlier or wait a few days after waxing. Try another hair removal method if waxing causes rashes or breakouts. Use a face-safe depilatory cream or ask a professional about laser hair removal. Thanks for watching.